power, you stop. Ready?
1,
Set.
2,
Set. 3.
3,
Set.
4,
Set.
5.
Si Erika nga eh.
Proper distance of weight, one facing away.
Erika.
Center line should be the waist. Not like this, not like this. Okay? Locking your arms. So it should be the center. Ready, set. Again. Set. And up. Set. And up. Ready, set. And up. You go. Here in the center. Ready, set, and up. You stop. Ready,
1, 2,
set,
3,
set,
4,
set.
5.
Escape. One for new block. Last time we're done with that 2 blocks. Let's proceed with double arms finger block. Ready, set. The right arm. Extend it a little bit, not too straight. Set. Extend it. Extend your arm. Ready, set. 1 and 2. More time. Both arm facing away. Ready, set. 1 and 2. More time. Facing away, facing to you, facing to you. Ready, set. And 1, 2. Two arms. Extend your right arm. That is your right arm. Extend that arm to the left shoulder. Go. Then set. 1 and 2. Should be in the middle level. Okay? Shoulder level. Don't do it too high. Do it too low. Ready, set. And 1, 2. Ready, set. Ready. 1, 2. More time. Ready, set. 1. And block. Quads and block. Quads and block. Okay. Double arms to the block. Push out. We follow. From here, going to the center. Ready, set.
1,
Set.
2,
Set.
3,
Set.
4,
Set.
5,
Set.
6,
Set.
7,
Set.
8,
Set.
9,
Set.
10.
This time that one is the one that we extend. Extend your left arm. So, right arm first in your shoulder. Then, right arm first, then left arm. Okay, so right step, and 1, 2. Come on, ready, set. 1 and 2. So forward. Our time set. Again, 1 and 2. Go, ready, set. 1 and 2. Let's do together. Set. And lock. Set. And lock. Set. From here. From your side. There. Lock. And go to the center. One more time. And set. And lock. Go. Stay with speed and power. You stop. Ready.
1,
Set.
2,
Set.
3,
Set.
4,
Set.
5,
Set.
6,
Set.
7,
Set.
8,
Set.
9,
Set.
10.
Ready. Sige. Yung B. Let's start with the forward stance and double arms. Set from the side, forward stance, step, big step, and drop. Left hand, big drop. Forward stance with your forward. Left step, big stance. Happy ready, set, step your left leg forward stance, and block. Left hand in front. step your right leg and right leg in front. Go. One more time. Ready, set. Step your left leg in front and up. Go. Ready, set. Step your right leg and up. Last one. Ready, set. Step and up. And up.
Jerry. Saan daw straight pa?
Oo. Bakit?
Well, straight ka. Upo ka muna rin. Ay, nakapansin yung batang babae. Katabi na rin.
Oh.
Here, go to the center. Ready, Gabi. Hey, step one. Step.
Check up muna natin.
Ready, set. Step and up.
Ilong niya.
Ready, set. Step and up. Ready, set. Step and up. Ready, set. Step and up.
May tumutulog.
Forward and going back. Do it with proper stances.
Konti lang naman.
Forward stance.
Kaya pwede mo. Kapatang.
And your front leg. Okay. Good. Your leg. Lift. Ready, set. Step your left leg. One. Lift.
Oo.
Your leg. Lift. That's it. With properly. Big step. Ready, set. Go, go. One. Two. I got one. Two. Double arm spin at back. Set. One. Two. And turn around. One set. That's why going back. And do one again. Yeah, after this set. Ready to be. Go now. One. Two. I got one. Two. Double arm spin at back. Set. One. Two. Turn around. Sit. Young man. Water me.
Nice.
Stretch your foot proper. Okay? Together. Ready, set. Swing your leg. Start with your left leg. Up and down. Okay, up and down. Ready, set. One. Down. Two. Left leg only. Ready, set. Three. Take your legs. Relax. Yeah. And wait. Four. Swing higher. Five. Six. Go. Seven. 8, 9, 10. Straight on the right leg. Ready, set. Right leg will swing up. Ready, nothing, stay on your place. Ready, swing your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slide your knee. Ready, set. Like your toes. Stretch. Swing with the front kick. First whistle, we're going to 10. Second whistle, swing up and down, stretch. Okay, ready? Then 1, pick. Down. Ready, set, 2, bend, kick. Down. Ready, bend, kick. Down. Ready, 4, bend, kick. Down. 1, 2, ready, 4, bend, kick. Down. 6, bend, kick. Down. Be faster. 7, kick. Down. Ready, 8, bend, kick. Down. 9, bend, kick. Down. 10, bend, kick. Down. Set. Relax, stay. Eight of the release. Ready, set. Right leg bend. 1, kick. Down. Stay here. Ready, set. Stay. 2, bend. Right leg bend. Kick. Down. Ready. 3, bend. Kick. Down. 4, bend. Kick. Down. 5, bend. Kick. Down. Stay here on the leg. 6, bend. Kick. Down. 8, bend. Kick. Down. Standing up. Ready. 9, bend. Kick. Down. Last one. Bend. Kick. Down. Last two legs. Okay. That is stretch kick and front kick. This time, it's ready, set. Stay your leg. Earlier, we're swinging your legs up and down. This time, going up and away. Then up. Okay, like a rainbow. Okay. Ready, set. Stay your legs. They go a little bit forward. There you go, step backward so that you won't be
Eric.
Cherry backward.
Okay, ready? Extend your leg. Start with the left leg. Going up and back to the center. Ready, set. Ready? Get together. Ready? 1. And back. Ready? 2. And back. We're going to go here and back. Okay, ready, set. 3. And back. 4. Back. Control your landing, okay? Right enter. Too much, too power. Ready, set. 4. And back. 5. Back. Okay, let's go the other leg. Ready, set. 1. Back. 2. Back. Your legs straight. Back. 4. Back. 5. Back. Okay, last one. That is in, out. Swing away from you. This time is from out, in. From away, go inside. Okay? And extend first and swing inside. Okay, ready? Do it properly. It's easy. Ready, set. Extend first and swing inside. Okay? My repetition is only ready. 1 and 2. Go. Ready? 1, 2. Go. Ready? 1, 2. Last two. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2. Okay. Swing with the other. Ready? Set. 1, 2. Swing in. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last one. 1, 2. Go. Swing in. Ready, up. Side to in. Here. Stand up. Finding stance. Right leg at the back. Ready. Up in. Right forward. Hands up. Okay. Start with the swinging legs first. Stretch kick. Swing your leg. Up and down. Every kick your shot. Okay. Ready, set. 1. Up. Swing straight, going up.
Asa mo up?
Okay, ready, set. Swing and go. And ready, set. Again, swing straight and going away to you. Okay? Like that.
Makamay.
You can do it low level first. Then, let's add the height na lang. Okay, ready, set. Body stance. Start with the mid level only. Ready, set.
1, 2,
Go.
3,
4,
4, 5, 6, 7,
go.
8,
Come.
9,
Let's go. Level only, swing, going up. Ready.
1,
Out.
2, 3,
Go.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's the name of the game? In, out, in. Let's do it. Let's do the other way around. Out, in. Going to swing, going inside. Okay, from outside, swinging inside. Okay, let's start with the mid level first. Okay.
Passer, half sir.
Later, we're going to do base level. Ready, set, body stance. Left, alright, left will give, and give, mid level first. Ready, 1, swing, from outside, going inside. Ready, set,
2,
stop, go, ready,
3,
go.
4,
Base level.
5,
Go,
6,
go.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Swing on the other leg, ready, body stance.
Eric.
Ready, set, swing, going inside. Ready, left leg will give.
1,
Go, ready,
2,
swing, ready,
3,
go.
4, 5, 6,
Hindi pa siya.
7,
If runs here,
8,
go.
9, 10.
Starting to face level. The in out first. Going out. From inside, going outside. Ready.
Yan.
Ready. Up. Find stars. Right leg at the back. Bounce. As high as you can. Take your balance. Okay. Ready. Ready. 1. Going outside. Swing up. Going away. Ready again.
2,
Dash up.
3,
Good.
4,
Higher.
5,
Good.
6, 7, 8, 9,
Swing straight and away. Ready.
10.
Yan.
Kamay.
Straight on the other leg. Ready. Right. Left leg will kick. Ready. Set. Toss. Swing straight and going away to you. Okay. Ready.
1,
That's it.
2,
Stay on the leg.
3,
Good.
4,
Swing straight and away.
4,
Higher.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Do it. On the break. Ready, set. Okay, extend your right arm. Start up. Right leg, left arm extend. Okay, you can do it mount level or head level if you can. Okay, ready, set. Extend and kick. Okay, use your right leg. Ready, set.
1,
Go. Ready, set.
2,
Use your left hand. Left hand extend. Kick using your right leg. Good. Ready.
4,
Go.
5,
Down. Okay. Don't knock your leg down. Okay. Don't tap your leg lang. Extend your leg. Kick. Okay, don't tap your leg. Balance. Ready, set. Hey. Go. Ready, don't go down. Ready, set. Hey. Go. Ready, set. Go. Last one, set. Stick on the other leg. Ready, set. Ready, find size. Hey. One. You sure you're going to stay there?
Ba't na?
Ready, set. Ready, set. Ready. Ready. Extend and kick. Two. Ready, set. Three. Kick higher. Four. Five. Ready. Six. Down. Seven. Eight. Down. Nine. Ten. Bring up and kick. Down. Eight and up. Ready, find stance. Right leg at the back. Keep your hands in your butt. Okay, kick and down. Knee up first, and release the leg, and kick the back and down. Okay, ready, set. Find stance. Down. Ready, your right leg will kick first. One. Up. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. 7. 8. 9. 10. Change the leg. That's a good kick. Knee up first and release the kick. Okay, ready, set. Find stance. One. Up. Two. Your hands here. Three. Four. Five. Knee up first. Ready. Up and release the kick. Okay. Down. Go to stretch. Ready, set. 6. 7. Good. 8. Retire. 9. Good. 10. Good. Ready. Okay. Left.
Pakain naman ang chow. Gusto mong pag-almasalin mo din.
Puyat eh.
Diba pag-almasalin mo?
Swing. Okay, ready. Go. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Ready. You go your turn. Right here. Ready. Set. Find 4. Go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5.
Kaso si Pangit.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Carry your arm up and stand. Ready? Ready? Bounce. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Go. kick. Try to do the kick on first. Good. The other side. Good. Kick for forward. Go. 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one. Ready, coming up.
Nice, Rika. Nice, Derek.
Ready. Stand up. Go. Okay, don't fall down. Ready. Go. 1. Up, go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick it. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. Ready, now. In out. Swing. Go. Good march. Go. 1, 2, up, 4, 5, 6, higher, 8, 9, 10. Go. 10.
Picture, picture.
Swing. Leg. And set. Keep power leg. Go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jerry. Ready. Ready. Swing your leg. Going up. Use your leg. Swing. Up. Right. Get in. Don't push in. Swing. Up. Yeah. Yeah. Other one more time. Other leg. Right. Pushing it again. Swing. Up. Go. Okay. And go. Right. Forward. Like that. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep on. We'll try it again. And out. Use the other leg. This one.
Make a shot
Spin
na.
straight. Going up. Let it spin straight. Now, the other one. Go. Okay.
Wanna make it solid.
Go. 1. Go. 1.
Shot, anak.
Up, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swing straight first. Go. 7, 8, 9. That's the left. That's your turn. That's it. Up. Another one. Okay. Shot. Ready. Go. 2, shot, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's my head. Everyone. Junior, break. Start straight. And once you're move, faster forward. Check the line. Move forward. Ready na mo. Sana yun.
Memory ko.
Okay, before we go, get yung line. Repeat. Okay. Last block before we go. Open your hands like this. Most of the blocks we're doing close hand. This time, 4 fingers. Top in, the top in. Don't do it like this. Don't do it like this. Let's do the neck strike. So, let's set. Here, extend the right arm and chop to the neck. Extend. Ready, set. And chop. Extend the hands. Ready, set. And chop. jump. Neck jump. Extend your hands. Don't bend it. Okay. Ready, set. And jump. Ready, set. And extend it. And jump. Ready, set. Side. And jump. Ready, set. And jump. Okay, stick with the other hand. Ready, set. Neck level. Right hand. Extend. And jump. Standing up. Ready, set. And jump. Ready, set. And jump. Ready, set. Last two. Jump. Last one. Set. And jump. Okay, so what is the name of that? Neck jump. Okay, slow down. Hands on the side. And legs and so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands down. You come. Side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good side. Red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. Obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seconds. It creates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 2, 1. Close your legs. Push release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend down. Take release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. Your leg. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Side. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Legs standing on a stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Other side is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Deep on the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Side. Do this one. Stand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold your toes. Leg stretch. Sumo styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold your heels. Knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Your legs. Bend your left side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push your back.